Hello and welcome back to The Light. Glad to have you. Iranian people are commemorating the National Day of Hafez, who is a renowned 14th century Persian poet. His poems are recited on different occasions in Iran. Press TV's Youssef Jalali has the following report from the capital, Tehran.
Although little is known about his life, Hafez is highly revered for his beautiful poems. Khaja Shamsuddin Muhammad Shirazi was born in the Iranian southwestern city of Shiraz some 7 centuries ago. On October the 12th, Iranians commemorate the National Day of Hafez, whose divan is regarded as one of the pinnacles of Persian classical literature.
Hafez's approach on the world is based on love, affection and humanity. It is said that he recited the Holy Quran before he started writing poem, and that's why he is referred to as Hafez.
Hafez is his pen name. It is a title given to one who has learned the whole Quran by heart, and this might be the reason why his poetry has survived through the centuries.
Many poets and thinkers reflect the spirit of their culture in their works, but the position of Hafez in depicting the identity of the Iranian tradition is incomparable, to a point that today Iranian people get their fortune told based on his book of poetry, Divan Hafez.
Hafez is our memory. This is the way we refer to him in Persian. I believe that Hafez is the identity of our nation, because in his poems we can find the elements of the Iranian culture.
Every year on Hafez National Day, Iranian people pay a visit to his tomb in Shiraz. They make a wish beside his tomb and open Divan Hafez to have their fortune told based on his poems, a tradition which started after his death.
When we want to make sure that whether or not our decisions are right, we randomly open a page of Divan Hafez and read his poem. His poems do more than fortune-telling. They communicate with us and give us a sense of calm and peace.
Most of Hafez's poems are ghazal. In his poems, he writes about love, God, and spirituality. Not only has his poetry influenced Persian poets, it has inspired famous Western writers and scholars, including Ralph Waldo Emerson and Goethe. Reporting for Press TV, Youssef Jalali in Tehran.